Happening. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world when you're watching. Today is a massive day. I still need to get myself out of this gorge, and we've got 230 kilometers to go. I know I said it was 180, but now it is 230. I've added on an extra 50 kilometers because I really want to get down that coast, get down to Devon, and then make my way down to Cornwall. Today is going to be a 130 kilometer ride, and then the day after is going to be a 100 kilometer ride to get myself down into Padstow, where I'm going to be staying for the next 4 days. Let's go.
Granola slices, 2 out of 10. Dries Gandhi flip-flop, but they are carved up to the match, so we'll take it up to a 4 out of 10, I guess. This is the earliest I've ever been up and out while doing bike riding, and it's 7:30 in the morning. It's a lot more cooler than the other days that I've been leaving out when it's been like 9:30, 10 o'clock. So I'm going to start leaving out at this time. Plus it's going to be a lot more easier for me to get up that hill, which I'm absolutely dreading at the minute. But we'll see how it goes. Let's go. Here we go, 25 kilometers in. I feel like I've got a new lease of life after that day off yesterday. I'm feeling good, hitting good times on the bike. Also, them flapjacks have gone back down to a 2 out of 10, and I'll tell you why, because they go straight through you. I thought, bloody hell, as soon as I had them, I thought, literally. But listen, I found a toilet in time, so it wasn't too bad. Let's get ourselves back up that hill so we can have another cruisy day for the rest of the 100 kilometers. Let's go. So we're at the top. We made it. My legs made it. I feel good, to be honest with you. That weren't too bad. The only thing I wish I did was take my t-shirt off before I went up it, because I was sweating. Gonna refuel myself up with some of these lovely flapjack oat things that are basically laxatives. And then we've got another 80 kilometers until we hit the campsite. And then tomorrow, we're hitting that coastline. Let's go. That was sick, mates!
So 70 kilometers in, just touched down in a place in Somerset. Took me 3 hours, 17 minutes to get here. After I last spoke to you, I was all excited about going downhill. I forgot to look at the rest of the route because it was literally just up and down non-stop. I was hitting some inclines that were like 17, 18%. Thought my legs were gonna fall off. I thought I weren't gonna make it. I thought I was going to go back to Leicester. That's how rough it's been. I didn't really even get that much footage because it was just a nightmare. At one point, I couldn't even get any water because there were no shops around. I had to knock on someone's door to get some water, but I'm here now. Ordered myself a fish finger sandwich. A fish finger sandwich. As soon as I seen that on the menu, I thought, yeah, I'm having a bit of that. And it's coming here now. Top man, mate. Thank you very much. Cheers. I ain't had a fish finger sandwich since I was about 10 years old. Can't beat them. We've got 50 more kilometers to go until we get to the next spot where we're going to set up for the night. And yeah, I'll see you there.
What the f***? These hills are f***. What the f***? Who the f*** put these f*** things here? Oh! 25% incline can f*** off. Stop being a bitch and get it done.
So we've made it about 120 kilometers, 5 hours, 55 minutes. Not too shabby. I tell you what was shabby though, that ride today. Bloody hell, that was challenging mentally and physically. You've seen how it was mentally on there. Managed to get myself some food 5 kilometers after that, thank God, else I would have just had a mental breakdown there. It is what it is. You have them days. I mean, this whole trip has been a massive up. You do have them days where it does become challenging and it is hard. I feel like I put a little bit too much pressure on myself today, especially hitting 120 kilometers. I feel like that's a big ride for the amount of hills that was there. I think I was being ambitious this morning as well because I had a day off yesterday saying let's go to Devon and adding on an extra 50 kilometres. So I feel like I'm just going to make my way straight down to Cornwall, which is still a 90 kilometre ride away, still a big old ride. But yeah, Devon, it just doesn't make sense. Number one, I can't be to do it. Number two, there is a water problem there. They've got bacteria in the water down there, so they can't drink the tap water at the minute. So if something happened like it did today where I had to knock on someone else's door, they wouldn't be able to give me any water because there's bacteria in the water causing infections, and I don't really fancy an infection. I mean, I just want to get a shower. I want to lay horizontal in a nice cozy bed and, like I say, get myself moisturised because these arms are looking like leather at the minute. So just touched down at Blackberry Farm, 20 kilometres in, and needed to get my battery charged. Very good farm here, very nice, decent sausage roll, really nice coffee, can't go wrong, the owner's lovely as well. Today is the same as yesterday, nothing but hills, started on a mad incline. I literally had no water within the first 10 minutes of me cycling. I had to knock on someone's door again to get some water. People are super friendly around here, really happy to help. But yeah, my knee is absolutely killing today. The niggle is turned into a mad pain. My left leg's doing most of the work at the minute, my right leg's got nothing left in it. But I feel like I should stop whining, just get on with it, and let's get down to Cornwall. Here we are, we've made it down to the coastline. Not all the way there yet, we've still got 50 kilometres to go down this bad boy, and I cannot wait. That coffee's gave me the boost that I needed, it's gave me the extra kick to push me over the line. Well, to get me to this point anyway. I think seeing the cliffs and obviously the beaches, it's put me in a really good mood, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie. Enough of me talking, do you wanna see it? I guess I'll show you. Happened, didn't it? He's only gone and got a flat 40 kilometres out. So close, but so far away. Not what you want. Go, we've made it back. Finally, 90 kilometres, ticked it off. Don't know how long it took me, don't ask. It was an absolute shit show. Up and down, non-stop, all day. Didn't see one cyclist on route. Do you know why that is? Because no one does the route. Absolutely stupidness. Every time you go down a hill, you couldn't even get excited because you know what would be happening? You'd be hit with a 30% incline uphill battle every time. And there weren't just one, there were multiple of them. My bike is absolutely had it. I've absolutely had it. The gears on the bike need retuning. The handlebars started to fall off towards the end. My knee's killing me, I'm just drained of energy. So I'm gonna get back to you tomorrow with the review of how the past 5 days have gone. Here we go, now I'm feeling a bit better, especially from yesterday. That was a tough old day, but we're here in Padstow for the next few days. I am absolutely buzzing. Do not listen to what that guy was saying yesterday. I'm over the moon with the journey that we've been on over the past 6 days. Just incredible. That first day, 130 kilometres. Second day was 100 kilometres. Third day we ended up hitting 116 kilometres, had a day off to rest up, then jump back on the bike for 120 kilometers a day, and finished off yesterday on that 91 kilometers a day. And I mean, I've been super lucky as the weather has been beautiful. Yesterday when I got here, it started to rain right on cue. It's been amazing, and it's been a really good journey, and I'm just really happy. I'm super grateful for obviously you guys watching and the support that you've been giving there. All the people that have been buying coffees, they have been helping tremendously with this journey and helping me carry on making these videos. So I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And also on top of this, I have got a lot more videos to come in. It is not long now until we go to Italy. I've got one more big video in mind that I want to be doing before heading off to Italy. So if you're not already, make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Let's go.